Hi guys, good evening. Right now it's about 7:19 p.m. and today is 7th of April 2021. Hope you guys are doing really well. And what you see on the screen is my Twitter handle. And look at the kind of stocks that have been given, right? And the latest stock that I had given, see here, HEG had given at 960 on 24th of November. And look at the blast, today it made a high of 2197 or more than double. Laurus Lab, I had given a buy at 360. Today it made a high of 425. And I still feel now it's just started moving. Gave a buy at ATGL at 392. What high did it make? Oh, it crossed even 1200, right? Look at any stock for that matter, I had given, this is the latest stock which I gave yesterday. Bajaj Electric. I said buy above 1010. Today only I think it gave a move and Bajaj Electrical gave a move today. Bajaj Electrical, and today itself it has made a high of 1030. But it looks pretty good to me. Like even for now, our buying will continue for a target of 1120. So I'm here back with some stocks. It took me good amount of money, good amount of time to filter out stocks. So I'm not going to discuss Nifty, Bank Nifty, but let me just straight away give you stocks. So the first stock that's on my radar is Aarti Industries. Even I have posted my screenshot. I'm holding it, right? I'm holding this stock still. I'm still holding this stock in my, in the futures, and I believe it should go for, and don't ask me whether now you can enter or not, because I cannot give you any other entry other than my decided entry, right? So please, if you want to enter, it's your call, but my target for this is going to be around 100 points from this place, right? But I cannot answer your question whether you should enter or not, right? So I'm still holding its future lot, and yeah, I have covered it with, I've hedged it basically with put. So that's perfectly fine. And let me just show you what exactly is. But anyway, let me just come back here a little later. But what I still feel that Aarti looks very good to me on an upside move, right? It's looking to be very positive as of now, and I'm expecting some kind of a move in very short duration, in the sense other in a week's time or so. The moment market becomes positive, this particular stock will give a really decent move, right? So hope for the best and get good money out of it. That's what I am actually thinking we should do. So this is one stock, RT Industries. Another one that I have on my radar. So what are the reasons for RT Industries? So see here, let me just remove all the drawings for you and show it to you. Here is the channel, like the stock is respecting this channel, right? Stock has been going in a particular channel, and today the upper side of the channel has been hit, right? And the closing has been very important closing. It closed above 1400. Usually 1400 is a point where a lot of option writers must be active, but it has gone above 1400 today. And this channel, if it breaks tomorrow, then my target is going to be 1500. So you have to take a call whether you want to enter or you don't want to enter. But minimum target for this particular stock for me is going to be 1500. Then the next stock that's on my radar is Manapuram, right? Manapuram has bottomed out. It has actually broken the channel today. If you have a look at it, it was in the downward channel, and today it has kind of broken it, right? And its counterpart Chola actually had a beautiful move. So what I understand from here, there's some kind of a move in these finance companies, right? Chola Fin, Manapuram, MFSL, all of them may have some kind of a breakout. So What I see, the breakout happened on 31st March. After that, it consolidated. So where are we going to buy it? We're going to buy it above 158.6. Our target, like I'm giving you immediate target, is going to be 162.5, right? This is going to be your definite target of 4 points. And beyond that, it may find a little bit of struggle. So you got to have, if 162.5 is crossed, then 165.5 is going to be our second target. Then the third stock that I have on my radar is Motherson Sumi. So Motherson Sumi, if you see, these two candles were consolidation candles, and today it has kind of broken it with pretty solid candle. So above today's high is going to be our entry. We will enter over here. Our stop loss is going to be 5-6 points. Our target is going to be 10 points minimum from this place. Another stock that's looking very, very good to me is Balakrishna Industries. So Balakrishna fell for 2 consecutive days and then kind of reversed back. And what I'm expecting, that it should, above this place, we have a buying opportunity for at least a target of 20 points, or not, if not 20, 15 points for sure. But if this place is taken out, which is 1709, then I'm expecting a free move till about 1750. This is what I can expect in Balakrishna. So I told you, Aarti, Manapuram, Motherson Sumi, and Motherson Sumi and Balakrishna. Then the next stock that's on my radar is TCS, right? So TCS is going to be, our buying will come at this place. I have given, if you remember, I've given a buy on TCS at 3170, and look at how it's going to be looking up. So our stop loss is going to be very tiny, of about 40-45 points, and our first target is going to be at least about 75 points, right? Then I have another stock on my radar is MFSL. So see, you must be saying I'm talking about so many stocks, but imagine there are about 150 plus FNO stocks. I've reduced that to only few. And and then I have some cash stocks as well. There are 4 cash stocks and the rest are. So you can keep this list on your radar, and if the morning range is broken out, if gap up or gap down, just avoid. But in case you see little when the price is broken in the live market, you can definitely go for it. So MFSL is also looking extremely good to me right now, and we will be buying it above 902. I've been giving it for the last 3 days, and tomorrow again I'm expecting a positive move. From 902, I'm expecting first target should be about 920. If 920 is crossed, 930 is the next target, and the final target I can expect is 945. Our stop loss is going to be 880. Somewhere stop loss is about 20 points and target is about 40 points. So these were my buy stocks, and then I have a sell stock on my radar, which is Bata. So Bata has been having a lot of price rejection. This is a big bearish candle, and yesterday and today again, when the markets were positive, it has shown no sign of heading up, right? So below this place, which is 1380, we can expect a really good fall in it, and our stop loss is going to be uh, about 25-30 points, and our target is going to be 40 points. And if this place is taken out, like if this 40 points is covered, then I think we can expect a good fall till about another 15 points. So these are my stocks in FNO, and cash. I have first cash stocks, which is cash stock, which is SpiceJet, right? A good buying has appeared in SpiceJet, and the consolidation is almost got over. So our buying, see, always whenever you trade, whether you do intraday, you do positional, your stop loss need to be very, very small. So we will buy it above 72 or 73. Our stop loss is going to be 68, somewhere here, 68 or 69. 3 or 4 points is going to be stop loss. Our target is going to be open, right? So first target could be 75, then 77, then 80, then 82.5, then 85, and so on and so forth. So that's my first stock. Then I have the next stock as Aditya Birla Capital. Where are we going to buy? Above 132. This is where we will buy. Our stop loss is going to be somewhere around 124, and our first target is going to be 140, right? If 140 is crossed, then we can expect, 150, 160, and so on and so forth. We can expect the next target to be after 140. I can expect 150, a target of 150. I think, which is a decent target. And then the second last stock is Prince Pipe, right? Prince Pipe, for so many days it just consolidated, and its upward journey is again looking to me to be restarting, right? Journey, it's looking to be me to be restarting, right? So here is how it looks like. This is how it looks like in a very, very big channel, or I could push it in the downward direction like this, right? So what I feel, it's beautifully respected this channel, and now if it goes above 454, I can expect a move up in this, at least another 30 points. 35 points can definitely be expected. If 35 points are taken out, then a 10% move can be expected. And the last stock that I have on my radar is 𝐻𝐼𝐕𝐄 Industries. So reason is this big bullish candle with only buyers being available. And if I just show you here, this candle has actually neutralized 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 trading days have been neutralized by this one single candle. So our buy is going to be above 687. Our stop loss is going to be 640. Our target is open, absolutely open. So Hiranba, and one stock I missed out is LTI. So LTI we can buy right at this place, 4321. Our targets could be till this point, and these are all positional stocks. 4321 to 4482, 83, almost 160 point from this place. So all buy stock except Bata, Hiranba, LTI, Aarti, Manapuram, Mothers, Motherson Sumi, Balakrishna, TCS, MFSL, Bata, SpiceJet. Bata is for sell, SpiceJet for buy, AB Capital is for buying, Prince Pipe is for buying. So with this, I'm signing off, and see you guys. See you on my Telegram channel, right? And you do get very, very profound research here. Today, early morning, very, very early morning, I had given a stock, which is Graphite India. Look at the time, 9:26. I've given a buy above 590, and look at how this stock blasted. So if you want this kind of a very powerful research, join my channel. So see here, this is how it blasted. My entry was at somewhere here 590, somewhere here, and it made a high of 690, 100 points move in a single day. That's the power of stock pro research. So if you want to get these kind of trades, please join me at my on my Telegram channel, which is Stock Pro Official, which has about 252,000 members. And you can follow me on my Twitter handle. You can be on my website, and from where you can text to my team, and they will be able to really help you out with any inquiry that you have. All the best, guys. See you in the next video.